In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text using Trello. Let's dive right into it so you can start enhancing your Trello boards with formatted text. First, we need to head over to Trello, so open up your browser and type in trello.com. From there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the login button on the web page. Trello makes this process straightforward and you have a couple of options to log in. You can either use your email address or a Google account, whichever you find more convenient. After you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Next, navigate to the boards section. This is where you'll find all your Trello boards. Now, locate the section that reads your workspaces. This is usually where you manage the boards associated with your work or projects. Once you're in the right section, choose the board you want to work on by clicking on it. This action will take you to the chosen board. Within this board, select a card you wish to edit. Clicking on a card opens up its detailed view. Here you'll see different options and sections, but for formatting, we are interested in the description box. Click into the description box where you'll begin typing your desired text. It's crucial to note that keeping your text concise and clear can significantly aid in effective project management. Once you have your text typed out, highlight it. This step is key because Trello offers formatting tools that are context sensitive. They will only appear when text is selected. After highlighting your text, look for the AA button. Clicking this will show various text styling options. One of the simplest transformations is to make your text bold. For this, click on the B icon. You'll notice your selected text changes to a bold typeface, making it stand out. If you want your text italicized, simply click on the I icon. Now your text will show in italics, adding a subtle emphasis. For more formatting options, click on the three-dot icon, often referred to as the ellipsis. This reveals additional tools, such as the list icon, which will turn your text into a list format, perfect for organizing steps or items neatly. When you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. It's easy to overlook this step, but it ensures that all your formatting is retained and reflected on the Trello card for anyone who views it. And there you have it. That's how you can format text in Trello to make your boards not only more visually appealing, but also functionally clearer for you and your team members. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.